everyone, welcome to part 44 of Laravel 10 series, in which we are getting the e-commerce admin panel, and we will start working on the products module. We have done the categories module. We have seen that we are able to add the categories. I will show you once again. We will log in into the admin panel, and we'll see here. I'm click on OK and not no, close. Okay, so here, we are going to see the categories here. Okay, so complete categories module we have done so far. We able to create its table, show the categories in admin panel, and active, inactive, edit and delete feature. Okay, add category. Okay, multi-level categories we can able to add. So now we're going to start working on the products module. So earlier on in this series, when we have started working on this e-commerce admin panel, I have explained you that we are going to work on these e-commerce related modules like the categories that we have already done. Now we are going to work on the products. After that, we will work on the coupons, brands, orders, filters. Maybe brands we will do before the coupons. Okay, because the brands are required. Every product is having some brand. Okay, so all these kind of modules we are going to do in our e-commerce related admin panel. Okay, so after completing the products module, maybe we will start working on the front end as well, side by side. Okay, there is beautiful template ready for you, e-commerce template we are going to use for this e-commerce website as well. Okay, see, all this is for the learning purpose. If you want to make use this one, you can use for the training purpose, for the learning purpose, but you can make your own website. Okay, you can get the template, you can purchase it, you can get from your friend, you can ask any of the designer to make it. Okay, so let's come back to part 44, in which we are going to start working on the products module. And first thing is we are going to create its table. Okay, and we'll insert some of the products with the help of this header. Okay, so we are going to create the products table. Okay, and the columns that we are going to add, like id, category id, see it automatically see capitalized, so ignore it. Okay, first word is capped, but we will make it small. Okay, so just ignore it. Okay, brand id. Okay, all these columns we are going to add. Product name, see brand id we will keep it as 0 for now, because we don't have the brands module right now. But whenever the brand module we will do, then brand id we will add in the products table. Okay, then product name, after that product code. Okay, so after product code we are going to add the product color. After product color, we are going to add family color. Okay, family color is the new thing that we are doing in this e-commerce admin panel. This one we have not done in Laravel 9, Laravel 8. We have never done family color, but now it's the requirement. I told you that we are going to do many things new. Okay, so we are going to work in such a way that in future we will face no issue at all. So family color is like, if the product color is something like, we can say like the dark blue. Okay, but and it will come the family in the family color like blue. So family color is the group of those colors, the main colors, like we can say like the here I will create the another one, like family colors, maybe the top colors means main colors, like it can be red. Only the main colors will come: green, blue, yellow, and what else, brown. Okay, silver, gold, gray. See, main colors. Okay, it will not come like we can say the dark red, dark green, dark no, light or something like sky blue, or peach, or some other colors. Okay, that will come we will just select the family color, like if the product color is dark blue, we will select the family color as blue. Okay, like this. So I hope that it's clear. In future videos we are going to do this in detail. Okay, so now after family color, we are going to add the group code. I hope that my old members remember this group code. Group code we are going to use whenever we will group, if we have two products, like everything is same, just the color is separate. So we are going to use the same group code, like we have the blue and red t-shirt, just the color differs, but the design is same. Then we are going to make the group code, like suppose if the product code is something like we can say I'm going to add like product code BT 001. Okay, then I'm going to make its group code like something like BT 000. Okay, then what will happen, like if we have the different product, I'm going to have the different product like something like the red color. Okay, then I am going to make it same, or we can use some other thing, some other number, like any number we can use, like 1 2 1 2 0 0 0. Then the same number we are going to use some other product as well, because we want to combine both. Okay, so that is the reason that why we are going to use the group code. Okay, so in future videos you are going to learn it better. So let's continue. And after group code, then we are going to have the column like product price. Okay, so product price column. Okay, okay, so after product price we are going to have the product discount. Okay, and after product discount we are going to have the discount type as well. See, discount type is the new column that we are going to launch in this video, and see in this series discount type, it will come like discount type maybe product or maybe category. Okay, so if we are going to provide the product discount like 10% of the product discount, then it will we are going to assign the product to the discount type column. Otherwise, if we are going to have the category discount, like the complete category, all the products of the complete category is going to have the 10% discount, then we are going to add the category in the discount type column. Okay, see, I will explain you all the features in detail when we will work on it. Okay, so right now I'm just giving the brief details, so that you will have some idea, but we need to fasten up the process, otherwise it would delay our videos. Okay, so let's come to the another field, and that is the final price. This is also the new field that we have launched in this video, in this series only. In final price, whatever, like suppose here the product price is something first of all I'm going to make it you can make any of the group code, but like I'm going to make it like the t-shirt, then 000, like something like this. Okay, after that I'm going to use here the product price. So product price, suppose 1500 is the product price. Okay, and product discount, we're going to give the 10% product discount. Then discount type is the product. Okay, it will come as product. Okay, see, this will not come category, I'm just explaining you. We are providing the product as the product percentage discount. Okay, product discount. So what is the final price? Final price is 1500 into 10%, means 10% of the 1500 we are going to deduct from the 1500. That is the see, you can see the 10% of 1500 is 150, so we are going to deduct 150 from the 1500, so that is the 1350. Okay, so this is the final price. So another column we have added because we want to make the process more easy. Okay, so it will help us in the future in our e-commerce website. So that's why final price we are going to add in this Laravel 10 e-commerce series. Okay, so many new things are coming. See, these all we are doing in the top class websites. Okay, so all these columns are necessary for the great e-commerce website. Okay, so now after this after final price we are going to have the another column like the product weight. Earlier also in the earlier e-commerce series also we are having the product weight column. Okay, so now after this after product weight we are going to have the product video. After product video we are going to have the description. After description we are going to have the wash care. After wash care we are going to have the search keywords, another new field that is, or we can simply give the keywords. Okay, keywords is also fine. Keywords, See, keywords are those words by which the user is going to search for this product. Okay, so the admin can add various keywords for this product so that it will come in search. You can say whenever the user is going to search for the products, then it can search from these keywords as well. Okay, so I will explain you further when we are going to work on this. Okay, so now filters columns will come. Okay, so many of my friends are saying that dynamic filters are complex when we have worked on the multi-vendor e-commerce series, but now see, in a simple way we can add the filters here. Okay, uh, manually we can add the filters here. Like if we are going to make the clothing website, then the filter can be like fabric. We are going to add the fabric filter, pattern, okay, sleeve, okay, fit. All these filter are for the clothing. Okay, if you are going to make the clothing related website, then you can add these columns here. Okay, and if you are going to make the electronics related website, then you are going to add the electronics filter. Okay, it's your fish that which filters you are going to add. So after this, for SEO purpose, we are going to add some column for SEO purpose as well, like meta title, meta description, meta keywords, and is feature. Is feature is the another column that we are going to add. See, all these three are SEO related, but is feature is not the SEO related. It is like if you want to make to show the product in somewhere like home page, featured products mean featured products, then we are going to assign yes value to it. Otherwise we can assign the no value to it. Okay, like this. So finally we are going to have the status field. Okay, and then created at and updated at. Okay, so these are the columns that we are going to add for the products table. So let's create the table with these columns. Okay, so we are going to run I'm going to run one more PHP artisan serve. Okay, I'm going to right click services, new terminate folder. I'm going to run the command migration command. We're going to create this table with migration. PHP artisan make migration. In Laravel, migration commands are really important. If you have not seen the migration command, watch out my earlier series. Okay, if you have no idea of my earlier series, then I will share you, in which I have explained you that how to create the table with migration. Okay, so PHP artisan make migration, create products table. We are going to create the products table. Okay, so I'm going to open here create products table, and here we are going to add all the columns that I have explained earlier, starting from the category ID. See, we don't have any section here, so section ID column will not come in this series. Early in the earlier series we are adding the section as well. Okay, so after category ID we are going to add the brand ID. Okay, so after brand ID we are going to add the product name. So after product name we are going to add the product code. After product code we are going to add the product color. So after product color, the new column, that is the family color. Like I have explained you, the family color is the group of colors, group of main colors. Okay, so after family color we are going to add the group code. So after group code we are going to add the product price. Float we are going to take for the product price. Product price can be in decimal values. Okay, so that's why product price. Then product discount also in decimal. Float we will take for product discount as well. So after product discount we are going to take the string for product that discount type. Okay, so after this we are going to add final price. Okay, like I have explained you earlier, that how to calculate the final price, that we are going to add here, that will help us in the future of the e-commerce website. So after this we are going to add the product video. Maybe the products can have some video, so that we are going to add for the product. Okay, after product video we are going to add description, test for description. Okay, so after this we are going to add wash cure. Okay, so after wash care we are going to have the keywords. Okay, keywords, I have explained you that the keywords will come, the admin can add some of the words that the user can able to search for this product. Okay, so after this filters. Okay, filters, string for the filters, any filter you can add, like fabric, you can do it like this, then pattern, then sleeve, fit. All these are clothing related filter. You can add your own filter as well. For the learning purpose we are adding the clothing related filter. Maximum website, e-commerce website are related to the clothing. Then SEO related fields, meta tags, we are going to add meta title, meta description, meta keywords. So we have added the string for all these fields. Okay, after that we are going to add enum for the is featured column. Okay, is featured column, like the product is will come in a featured products or not. This is the featured product or not. Specific product can be featured or may not be featured. That we are going to add the array as no or maybe yes. Okay, after this we are going to add the status column, and we are going to add the tiny integer for status. Okay, so we are going to run the php artisan migrate command so that we able to create this table. So let's see, it runs successfully. We are going to check now that we able to create the products table with all the required columns or not. See here, we are going to check. Okay, so yes, we able to create all the columns with the help of migration. Here you can see we have the category ID, brand ID, product name, product code, product color, family color, group code, product price, product discount, discount type, final price, product video, description, wash care, keywords, fabric, pattern, sleeve, fit, occasion, meta title, meta description, meta keywords, is feature, status, created and updated columns. Okay, and data types, you can also see that all the data types seems to be fine. So in next video we are going to add few products, okay, with the help of seeder. After that we are going to show those products in the admin panel. Okay, and we are going to work in all these things like add, edit feature, okay, status, delete, everything we are going to do for the products. And also these products will come under some specific category, or maybe it's the subcategory, so we are going to add the category ID for all the products. Okay, so in the next video we are going to add few of the products, so stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.